Well, it's going to be easy compared to that axle, mate.
Come on, Will. Come on, Will.
Come on, big hold. That's it. Keep it going. Come on, Will. Keep going.
Go on, Will.
Go on, Will, as far as you can. Andy, you're going to take it. 25 metres each one. Keep going, Will.
That's it. Come on, breathe in nicely. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Come on, Will. Keep going, mate.
Come on, Will.
Come on, it's doing good. Come on. Might look a bit odd, but I'm sure most of these events are just designed to make you look bloody stupid, really.
Keep it going, Will.
Come on, Will. Come on, Will. Keep breathing. Come on. Come on, keep it going.
Come on, Will. Dig in, Will. Come on. Dig in, Will.
Good man, Will. Come on.
Come on, Will. Breathe. Breathe.
All the way, Will.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Good luck.
Well done.
Everybody gets a turn at being here.
Easy, Tyler. Come on, Ty. Keep breathing, mate. Every step counts. Come on, bro.
Keep going, Ty. Come on. Strong.
Come on, Ty.
Come on, Ty.
Every week in training, keep it going.
Not really. Not that Anvil college.
Keep it going. Come on, Stick. Come on, Stick. Keep breathing. Nice and steady. Then well, come on. Good. Yeah. Come on, dude. All the way. Keep it going. Get that pace. Keep going now. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Go on, Steve. Let's get down here. Come on, Steve. Come on, Steve. Come on. Keep it going. All the way. Come on. Come on. Keep it going. Come on. Round the barrel. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Good luck. Go, go. Go on, mate. Good luck. Keep it going, guys. It's 50. Hold on. Go on, mate. Round the barrel. Good. Go on, lad. Keep it going. Go on, Gav. Keep it going. Oh, yeah. This guy's doing a lot of us. Come on! Go on, Gav! Keep it high, keep it high. Go on, Gav! Suck it up! Come on.
Come on, keep going.
Good lad. Good, come on. Come on, Gav. Well done, mate.